Late today, the U.S. Justice Department sued Ferguson, Missouri, after the city rejected an agreement to reform its police and courts. 18 months ago, a white Ferguson cop killed Michael Brown, an unarmed black teenager, setting off violent protests. Vinita Nair is following this.
So I'm going to call this meeting to order.
The decision to file the lawsuit against Ferguson comes after angry residents debated the Ferguson City Council's concerns that it will cost too much to comply.
My fear is that with your vote tonight, if it is to sign the consent decree, that Ferguson will cease to exist.
Protecting the citizens of Ferguson should be our priority.
The council voted to approve the DOJ's agreement with conditions. No additional salary increases for the police department or city employees, control over hiring contractors, extended compliance deadlines, and the right to back out of the agreement if the police department is ever dissolved. Mayor James Knowles.
What we did last night was take out some things that we felt were immaterial to constitutional policing.
The city has a $14 million budget and is nearly $3 million in debt. The negotiated consent decree was estimated to cost $10 million over the next 3 years. 10-year Ferguson resident Alicia Jordan says the price tag of the agreement is less than the cost of doing nothing.
So much of this seems to be around money.
It is, and I do understand, because I'm living it. We're all living it. But at the end of the day, we have to do what's right.
The mayor told us it will be less expensive to fight the lawsuit in court than it would be to implement the decree as it was originally drafted. Scott, now there's a possibility the city could end up paying for both.
Vinita Nair, thanks.